Hello again, this is another commissioned weathering job that we've got today. This is an FD class locomotive, obviously from America. This one is an old Bachmann model and it's so old underneath it says actually Hong Kong, so that's when it was made. And it is in a bit of a poor state, it's got bits broken like here. And obviously it's one of these models that doesn't even have any windows or anything like that. But that's okay, the owner said that what they wanted to do is put this at the end of a siding as if it's been scrapped, and they wanted a heavy weathering job done onto it. And helpfully he sent a couple of images as well so that I could kind of copy that with this. So I think the first thing I'm going to do is obviously take this apart, and then I'm going to give it a spray can of some kind of light dusting just to fade down the colours a bit before we start weathering on it. Mechanism inside this is very much like old Lima models. We've got the motor up here on this bogie and it's picking up from the bogie at the front. It also has some illumination as well and lots of weights in there. I'm going to be painting parts of this kind of like a weathered black colour and then rusting it as well. So actually the bogie's just unclipped, so that's going to make it a lot more easy to paint these.